Hello, and today we're going to be drawing Pikachu. So the first thing that you'll need is a piece of paper and a pencil. So to start off, draw his left eye, so just a circle, and then draw his right eye, and then in the middle between the two eyes, draw an oval for the nose, then right below the nose, draw like a cat's mouth almost, like that. And then right under his eye and left of his mouth, draw a half circle, and then copy that for the right side. A half circle. Don't worry if it's perfect or not, because we're going to color this in after. And then from that half circle, connect the dots and bring it down to make his chin. And then same thing on the left side. Starting here, connect the dots, then bring it down to make his chin. And then you can erase and leave a section in the middle for like shading. And then take the line you just drew and then curve it towards his eye, then away, and then back up. And this is Pikachu's signature like face. Same thing on the right side, curve it towards his eye, then away, and then back towards it. Like that. Then erase what doesn't look good. And then, not touching the line, but a little above it, make it like a dash. And same thing on the right side, make a dash, and then connect it with an arch. I find making the dashes easier to like make it perfect on like symmetrical. And then to draw the ears, from the dash, go straight diagonal and make it a point. And then you can just draw his ear, the arch shape down. And then same thing for the other side. Draw his ear, and it comes out and it goes back in a little bit, so make sure you catch that. Same thing on his right side, start at the dash and come up straight diagonal, and make sure it's the same line as that, and then come out and then back in, then out, back in for his ears, and then draw two diagonal lines. That'll help with our shading later. And then if you want, you can just draw the pupils now to make it look good. So then, to draw his arms, you can come where we finish this line and go down a little. And same as his ears, except more straight. And same thing for the right side. Come down a little, like that. And then you want to go diagonal from his arm and draw diagonal and straight to draw his arm. And then to draw his hands, just make a bunch of squiggly lines like that. And then for his face, start at the bottom of the oval and go down and out and around. Maybe a little left of the oval, go down and around like that. We got fat Pikachu. Same thing on the right side, go down and around and down. Draw an arch right there. Continue the arch. Continue the arch. For his feet, you're going to want to draw like an oval kind of, so draw an oval until you get here. And then we'll draw his, then we'll go up here. Draw a mini oval. That's his foot. Same thing on this side. Make sure it's kind of the same height. That's his foot. And Pikachu arches actually comes like that. So it's looking weird. That's why. And again, when we color him in, it'll look fine. Now for his tail, come up here for his forehead, draw a line, come down, then back in towards his face. Then a zigzag, a zigzag, a zigzag, connected to his body. Then we're just going to draw a triangle. There's his tail. So that's how you draw Pikachu. If you like this video, make sure you comment and subscribe. Now we're going to color him.